Right then, we're currently stood outside of control room 2. We're just going to go through and explain how to get everything up and going for you to be able to record. Light switch. Next thing we need to do is make sure that the volume is down on the audio interface. And the volume's down the audio interface. Pop over, hit the power off, wake up the C24, pop the computer on, and then you can see this little C24 offline. That means that it's not seeing Pro Tools. So while the computer's loading up, I'm just going to turn the speakers on, and then to the speaker. You hear a little thump there, and you see the green light has gone on the speakers. That means we have speakers. So next little spot is to load up Pro Tools. So just while we're loading Pro Tools up, or Pro Tools I'll be asking for a session, we can see that I've already got something running in the room to play through, so we can have a listen back to a few things. Right, so I'm just going to label this test, and I'm going to save this in my folder. So we're going to ask prompt for project location and hit create. Then I'm going to look for my folder. I'll go to hog, and we best call this test 2, and then click save, and then Pro Tools has opened up with a lovely session. Now, one of the things that we need to be aware of in Pro Tools is we have these two lovely windows. If I just close them down like so, we can access them off the C24. So there's the mix window, and there's the arrange window. While we're here, I might as well show you this button here, the mute. It automatically comes on when the C24 is turned on. It's just so you don't pop your monitors or anything. There's the level for the control room volume, and we'll also be looking at the listen back mic that allows us to listen to performers in the studio area. So first off, let's get a signal into Pro Tools. As I'm working one-handed, I will click track, new. We want a mono track, audio track. Just click create. Pop that full screen, just nice to work like that. Label, double click, and we can label it. We'll call this mic 01. Mic 01. Hit the record ready. Right, we've got no level through, but we can see a level there. We can see a level here, and we can see that the mute. The mute's on. Let's turn the mute off. Still no sound. Right, over at the audio interface, where it has the volume control, we can hear a lovely band called the Side Effects. They're coming in on channel 1, coming back in on the C24. So I just hit record now, just hit the 2 buttons, and we can see it recorded in lovely for us there. So let's have a listen back, see if that plays back. Yeah, oh, complete racket going on. Let's have a quick look at this listen mic. So stop it playing back, take it out of record mode, so it listen. You can hear the listen mic. That's what we can hear the performers in the room. There endeth today's little sermon. Obviously, save your project. Remember where you've saved it. To turn everything off, I always suggest turn the main volume down first, close Pro Tools down, close the computer off, shut down, pop round the back, knock our speakers off. Hit our nice big power buttons on the wall. And there we have everything put to bed.